Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'll try to make you understand all about file menu, all of the options that are present inside file menu. Like we have got a new, for which the shortcut key is Control or the command button plus N. So I'll try to be discussing all of these options slowly and gradually. So without any further ado, let's get started. To the world of Adobe Illustrator, my friend. So I've got the file menu over there, in which we are going to be explaining all of the things that are present there, which are also going to be so much important to be used. So let me tell you, we've been to these options like toolbar options, and I have also taught you some of the panels. So Adobe Illustrator is not just learning about toolbar or some of the panels or some color theories. It's all about learning all of the menus and all of the things, or you have to be creative while using Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop. So we'll try to be learning all of the things one by one, slowly and gradually in the upcoming tutorials. We'll also try to be making some sort of designs so that can help you out and make you able how to design some sort of things in Adobe Illustrator. So let me draw anything there, my friend. Like I have done that, and let me apply sort of purple color or maybe a yellowish color there. So let me remove stroke fill inside that of the shape. So I've got this shape. Let me go for file. So I've got the first option that is known as new. New means that if you want to open any sort of new file, like we've got common, latter, custom, and we've got some of the settings there like pixels, points, what do you want to set there, and we've got the height and the width, and then we've got landscape and orientation like landscape page or portrait page. So this is what is all about. You can also increase or decrease the size of that of the artboards. So this is what is all about making a new file. Have a look at this, my friend. I have created a new sort of file there. We've got a new for template. This is something that you have to be opening sort of a template there which are already made or which are already present there. So you can also go for this. Have a look at this, my friend. All of the templates are made there priorly. Let me go for the new one, and let's have a look at open, my friend. This is something related to something that you have already made, you have already created. So let me go for some of the thumbnails there, my friend. Have a look at this, my friend. Maybe I have created some sort of thumbnail there. Have a look at this. So this is something I have created in Adobe Illustrator, my friend. Let me delete that out, or maybe let it be on its own place. Open recent files. Well, let me delete that out. Let me close that. Let me go for Adobe Illustrator once again. And this time go for this option, open recent files which are not opened recently. So if you want to close that out, you can also close that out. And let me go for close all. If you want to close that all, you can also go for that. And let me make a sort of shape there, my friend, and apply sort of color there. Well, we've got the next option that is known as save and save as. Well, save and save as, well, keep this in your mind while you're using all of these options. Each of the option consists of any sort of shortcut key. So that is going to be sort of ease for you while you are using all of the shortcut keys. So save and save is. Save is something that whenever you are saving any sort of file time and again, this is something that you have to be using command plus S, control or the command plus S. And if you want to save something firstly or for the first time, you have to be going for save as option. Go for desktop, and this time just try to name that out. Hit OK. So I want to just change the color of that. Have a look at this, my friend. I have changed the color of that. So this time I want to type something there, like I have typed that, increase the size of that, put it there, and just move that there. And let me change the color of that, my friend. This is something I have created or designed. So I have edited in the file I have just saved. This time what I have to do, I don't have to go for save as once again. This time I have to be going for just save, so that it will be saving there step by step. Let me go for save a copy there. If you move there and just click there, this is also something related to the same thing I have just taught you. Means you can save the file that you have. So that is something I have taught you in this tutorial. This was the fundamental tutorial in which I have taught you the difference between save and save as, or maybe some sort of file options that I have taught you. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.